Hello guys, how are you doing? It's a pleasure having you here. And what I'm going to be doing for you now, what we are going to be doing for you is talking about the school. Yes, indeed. Talking about the CSAForex, which stands for the Common Sense Approach to Forex Trading. We're going to talk now about the school, and we are indeed happy for what we have in store for you come 2024. But of course, why wait till 2024? Why not give you the information now? And if you stick around to the end, you get more information on the things that you can get for free over here. And if you have any questions or you have anything you'd like to see that should be added to the school, you can always let us know in case we discuss it now and it's not here, right? And we'll do our best to add it. We're working on some automations as well to help everybody to become better traders. So let's continue with the information that we have for you. One thing I want to say that this is a school, and you know a school, it's all about education. And then Jeff Rich said something, popular quote. If you don't know it, I'm going to tell you what it is. It states, if you think that education is expensive, because people normally say education is expensive, why do I need to get the education on this or on that? Then you need to do what? Try ignorance. Ignorance is definitely more expensive. And that is very key, very, very important. Do not joke with your education, right? Very key. So in order for you to accelerate your trading, the following below is going to help you. And all in all, you're going to learn how to use a low risk, very key, low risk proven strategy. I call it the PASR, price action support resistance strategy. Price action is everything, that we're trading. Support and resistance is in everything that we trade, whether you like it or not. Whether you are doing the SMC or ICT or supply demand, Bollinger, moving average crossover, whatever the case might be, everything is still under price action and is still a form of support and resistance. You're going to be looking at the strategy, proven strategy, using fundamentals and technicals. And of course, you must have the right mindset, which is psychology, in order to thrive in this business, right? So what do we have for you? Oops, scroll down a bit too much. What do we have for you? Now, if you look at number one, we have a webinar for beginners and also for those that are struggling. So you can check out this webinar. It's absolutely free, right? Just click on it and then you get to watch series of videos that talk about the MT4. Before you start placing trades, you need to know how to use the trading application, whether it's the MT4 or the MT5. You need to know how to use it to open, close, and modify trades. And then, of course, after that, you need to know how to uh, build a strategy, implement a strategy, which is based on the fundamentals and technicals. It's going to be based on fundamentals and technicals. You have the video tutorials there for you, absolutely free. And of course, how to calculate your risk, also there, absolutely free. And we have something for you also based on psychology, right? Psychology is very big. You need to understand it because psychology is actually the part that a lot of traders are struggling with. There are a lot of good traders out there that have been opportune to have a discussion or two with. Actually very good, but their emotions tend to get the better of them. I'm sure that some of you are guilty of what I just mentioned. You allow your emotions when you're happy from winners, when you are sad from losses, to get the better of you. Greed steps in when you have losses. When you have winners, you want more. And then when you have losses, you are scared, you are afraid, you are angry. You tend to place more trades aggressively, not even use stop loss, and then it's all over the place. Psychology, very key, very, very important. So number one, you can watch the full webinar here. There's a lot of information there for you. You do not have a demo account, you can click on number two to get a demo account up and running. We tend to run 3 days beginners live training for beginners, right? So if you're a total newbie, you'd like to join us for this for live, is exactly what we're teaching here. This one here is on demand, so you can watch it at any time. But you can also join us on our scheduled live trainings. The next one we're going to be having is in January. We have rounded up the free training for now, right? For the free 3 days training for now. So the next one is going to be in January. So you can schedule for that now. And then we have a trading room. For this trading room, you have to subscribe to it. This is where we have those that are serious in taking their trading to the next level. Now, this trading room is going to be a membership area, right? Where you get so much information. And of course, we get to trade together. It's also a place we're going to be using for support and then accountability. So if you're interested in taking your trading to the next level, you need a form of mentorship, you need someone to ask questions, our membership area will be there for you. We'd also have a Telegram group specially for that, for the trading room, where we'd have our small corner where we talk about the business, what's happening live, the news coming out, this happened, and so on. There's always something that is happening all over the world, whether you like it or not. Who knows what next year is going to be? And then we have a Telegram community, absolutely free. You can join us. It's just a little corner where we just do some small information drop in here to help traders out to understand the market much better. And of course, over here, after you have watched the webinar and you have questions, you can join us here absolutely free. Over here, when you subscribe to the membership area, you get video tutorials that are obviously not here. We have Fibonacci retracement as a confluence tool, how to use that, and of course, how to set your stop loss, how to set your stop loss, take profit based on the Fibonacci retracement, and then also different ways to make money from the business, how to avoid unnecessary losses, and some other key information over here, number 6. And you get that when you subscribe as well. Now, what else do we have? That's number 6. Let's see what else we have. If you scroll down, we have more for you. Awesome. Now, what else do we have? Over here, we have the risk management calculator. This risk management calculator, absolutely free. What do you do? When you click here, it takes you to the risk management position size calculator, right? Instead of you doing it manually, you come here, punch in your details, put in your account balance. Let's assume your account balance is $10,000. What is the risk you want to use? 1%. Now, by the time I click inside the stop loss, because when you conduct your analysis, you should know your stop loss. By the time I click here, it's going to tell us the amount that we're risking for 1% of 10,000. So I click here, you can see the amount is what? The amount is $100, right? So if you're comfortable with that, don't forget you're going to have losses. You're comfortable with that, then you're good to go. And then you put in your stop loss. After conducting your analysis, your stop loss is 25 pips, and whatever instrument you're trading, even if it's gold or whatever, you have them here. If there's any instrument that you trade that is not here on the list, let us know. We will add it, do the formula behind the scenes, make sure it gives you the proper lot size volume you're supposed to be using. Let's assume it is GBP USD. You click on it, click on calculate. It will tell you what the position size is. Calculate. Position size would be 0.4 lots for the GBP USD. This is a very helpful tool that we have done for you guys. You can take advantage of it. And you have the table over here based on the lot sizes, the micro, mini, standard, so that you understand this lot size that you've gotten. 0.4, where does it fall under? If you check very well, 0.4 falls under where it falls. 0.4, there it is. 4 minis, so it falls under the mini lot size table. So we have this for you that you can take advantage of. And then also we have a trading plan and journal already made for you. When you subscribe to the membership area, you get this. And then of course you can contact us if you have any questions whatsoever. You reach out to us through this section here. And as an affiliate, you can become an affiliate and earn based on referral. You can earn up to 20% when you come. So over here, you can earn while you learn. Yes, very important. You can earn while you learn as an affiliate, where you're making 20% on people that you refer to the school. Yes, indeed, it is a school. So we have the YouTube channel that you can subscribe to for more educational and videos based on analysis and so on. Sign up for one-on-one. For those that are interested in one-on-one, click here, sign up for one-on-one and so on. So there's a lot of information here in the school, and we've talked about them, and that's why we said wait till the end. Now, if there's any information that isn't here that you would like to take advantage of, let us know, and we'll see how we can put that up for you. Anything you're interested in, you scroll down some more, you see feedback from people that have attended our membership area, classes, and so on before. You can read up on what they have said. I'm not going to read them up now. You can read them up later at your convenient time. And then the membership area, as we mentioned, for those students that need more assistance. Maybe you are looking forward to passing the prop firm, come on board. What you need is proper training. You need proper mentorship. You need proper accountability sessions and so on. You want to place a trade in the membership area, you can post your chat. Oh, what do we think about this trade you're looking at? And then we give you, our own breakdown of the chart. We'll also be posting charts of trades that we're looking out for live and direct. That will be our own little corner for you to quickly, because this is live, for you to quickly get the information and take advantage because we're going to be trading together. Oh, yes. And you can easily transition to Forex affiliate if you are ready to join us in the membership area where you can be earning 20% while we're trading together, also earning from there, and then you are learning. And then you can benefit from the many ways of the business of trading. There are many advantages, so you can benefit from them and also earn money from different angles. So these are the things that you're going to get, when you join us. You have everything here on the list. You can go over them, access to those video tutorials that we mentioned, Fibonacci, ways to avoid unnecessary losses, and so on. And then that strategy, price action, support, and resistance trading strategy that has over 60% success rate. You will see it as well. You can count how many trades we take per week or per month and see the success rate yourself. And you'd also notice they are low risk, high reward trades. Risk management calculator, you have access to that. Trading plan and journal templates. When you join, you get that as well. And then you get access to the trading room, right? For those that subscribe, live market analysis sessions, accountability sessions, things to help you out. And then you also have bonus EA trade management, how to manage your trades using automation. And as we said, we're going to be automating this school with a lot as well. So stay tuned. Now, the price now is $49 for the launch. It's going to be launching in January. But for now, it is $49 per month. And then for 3 months, it is $119 for 3 months. But in January, when we launch, the price is going to go up to $97. I repeat, the price is going to go up to $97 in January. So if you're interested in joining us January, you can sign up now before the end of this month, December, and then take advantage of this price, $49 per month, compared to this $97. By January 1st, the price is going to go up to $97, and it's a membership area, monthly membership area, and so on. So I want to say thank you for tuning in. I know I spoke at length on the school, but I'm just excited about the school and what the school has, for a lot of new or struggling traders. What the school has for you is very key, and it is something that you need to do to key into. Knowledge is your first defense in protecting your financial well-being. Tony Robbins. I'm sure you probably might know him if you don't look him up. So this is the website, the school. If there's anything here that we haven't talked about, do let us know and we will put it here. So thank you for watching. And of course, any other information that we have, we'll pass it across to you in good time. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy the rest of the week. Enjoy the rest of the month. Compliments of the season to everybody. God bless you all. And goodbye for now. Cheers.